Morning, sixth grade saxes. Mr. Y here. Obviously, today talking about the B-flat concert blues scale, which for you guys is the G blues. You can see it where it says basic blues scales. It's the first one on top there, the one that says G. Okay, a blues scale sounds a little different than major and minor scales. It is used a lot in jazz or in rock and roll or other kinds of pop music. It's a very cool scale to be able to play. I think it sounds like this. So you can hear it sounds a little different than your regular old major or minor scale. Let's go through the notes here. You can see it starts on a G. That's the easy note for you guys, of course. 3 fingers down, one you learned in 4th grade. Second note is a B flat. B flat, if you don't know it, is 2 fingers like A up on top, your 2 left-hand top fingers, plus what I call your bottom roller coaster key. These 3 keys here that look a little bit like a roller coaster going up, they're your right-hand palm keys, really is what they are. But I call them the roller coaster keys. The one you want is the bottom one. You can hear if you add this to your A fingers, it gets just a little bit higher. Okay, so that's the note you want right there. So far we've got G, and then B flat. You can hear we actually skipped the A. There's no A in the blues scale, the G blues scale for saxes. Okay, so we've got G, B flat. Next comes a C, regular old C, middle finger, of course. Pretty easy so far. Okay. After the C comes a C sharp. C sharp is no fingers on the sax. So all you do is you pick up your C finger here to go from C to C sharp. So those 2 right there. Okay. Pretty easy so far. After that comes a D. Remember, for D you add all your fingers here in the front plus your thumb key in the back, your octave key. Okay. Is the D. Okay. After the D comes an F natural. Now, F natural might not be so natural for some of you because you're so used to playing F sharp. F sharp is your middle finger, of course. F natural is your first finger, but it's still got the 3 big fingers up on your left hand plus your thumb key in the back. Okay. So those 3 plus your first finger now is F natural. Is what it should sound like. Okay. When you put it all together, is the F natural. And then the very last note in the scale is just you go up to the high G. So it is exactly the same notes coming back down. It's slightly different, so you're going to want to practice it just a little bit at a time. Probably the way you want to practice this, guys, is just doing like 1 or 2 notes at a time until you get really good, and then add more to it. So like maybe just the first 2 notes. Sorry, I added 3 notes. You know, but just going back and forth between those 2 can be kind of fun if you had a cool rhythm to it. Then take 3 notes. Or maybe 4. Maybe 5. I need a little practice on this one too. Okay, but once you get it really good, it's really cool. This is what we're going to use. This scale right here is what we're going to use for what's called improvisation, which is next in the band. It's where you get to make up your own music off the top of your head, which is really kind of cool. I think it's the coolest part of 6th grade. Okay, so good luck with it. Thanks.